I want to show you how to unsubscribe or cancel all MTN services. Sometimes you see MTN services deducting money from your account. You can unsubscribe to them by going to your phone if you are using MTN and this is your phone. Okay, just get to your phone, dial *447# and then accept. Okay, now you select one for all your active services. Select one. Okay, click send, and then you have, like here, this is a service that has been deducting money from my account, Keys Club, and I just select one and then send. Okay, select the unsubscribe or renew. I want to unsubscribe and click one, send one. So thank you, your request will be processed. So with this, you might get a message that you have been unsubscribed from that service. So this is how to unsubscribe to any MTN services that you did not subscribe to and has been deducting money from your account. I hope you do enjoy the training. Thank you for watching. Bye.